If you want to open the game dashboard, or also known as the game turbo, on the Google Pixel 10a while playing a game, you should be able to swipe down, for example, anywhere on the screen in order to reveal, actually from the top, it seems like we have to do this from the top, in order to find the game pad icon or button. In my case, I have it on the right side since I use gestures for navigation, and this is how the game dashboard looks like. Unfortunately, there is not much available, but you can, for example, toggle the FPS counter, and that is pretty much it. Now, in case you use the 3 buttons navigation, it might be slightly different, so let me actually check that out. Alright, so in the case of the 3 buttons navigation, it seems that you have to swipe from the right side. It looks like it, although I'm gonna also try to swipe from the top, and it works also. It also works, so you can do either, as you can see. So if you can tap on this button to open the game dashboard, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.